Hi, I'd like to review Kahoot. It's an online tool that you could use for teaching. I picked Kahoot because it's a great assessment tool that is very engaging to students. It also has really cool music. The purpose of this is to analyze students' knowledge over a specific subject. It gives immediate feedback to students and to the teacher. There's two standards that Kahoot kind of falls under here. They're both under the analyst section, and basically it's using digital tools to analyze students' work, and it gives immediate feedback. So here's your two standards, as you can see on the left side of the screen. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this and give you a brief demo of what students will see when using Kahoot. So if you look over here on the right side of the screen, this is the teacher view of Kahoot, or the person that made Kahoot. This is what they want to see. If you can see here, I've made 4 Kahoots. So I'm going to do this one for our demonstration here. So we're going to hit play. And this is what you will see on the projected screen in front of the class. This is kind of what everyone looks up to. If you look and see, there's several options here. You could play classic, which is everyone for themselves, or depending on how many devices you have, you could do team mode. This is available on pretty much any device that has internet access, so iPads, iPods, phones, computers, Chromebooks, anything like that you could do this with. Down here there's several options for the Kahoot. Bonus streak, you could turn this on. I like to turn it on. Name generator, this would be if you don't want your kids giving inappropriate names, or you don't trust them to do something like that. You could just randomly generate a name for them. This would be good if you want to do multiple Kahoots, or do the same Kahoot for multiple classes. No one like writes down a cheat sheet of, hey, question 2 is answer 3, or so on and so forth. And then there's several other options down here. I never turn this one on. I don't want to kick kids out and then have them log back in if I want to do another Kahoot. So we're going to do the classic version here. So while that's loading, I'm going to come over here. You got to go to kahoot.it. That's what your students would go to. You can hear the cool music kind of popping up in the background. So this pin is what would be displayed in front of the class. 426 3986. Enter. And then nickname, I'm just going to put Kevin. Very original. And I'm in. So now in front of the class you'd see, hey, Kevin has joined this Kahoot. Alright. Naughty nicknames beware. See, there you go. People do it. So once the whole class is joined, you're going to hit start here. And there's me at a Cavs game. We're going to do 2 questions here. So the first one is LeBron the best current NBA player in the world? Okay, so the question stays up here. Here's your 2 options, no or yes. If I'm the student, I'm going to pick which one I think is the correct answer. So I'm going to pick yes, because obviously he is. And then this kind of tells me how many points I have, and this tells you what place you're in. So if you look over here, the whole class got it right, 100%. No one picked the wrong answer, obviously because I'm the one playing. Alright, then we could go over to the next question. How far is it from Fort Hays State University to Orrville, Ohio? I put a little map. If you notice here, this is a Google map. It's hard to see, but it's not really relevant to the question anyhow. It's not necessary is what I should say. So here's your options. I'm going to say it's about 10 hours. And I got it wrong. Okay. The correct answer shows up on the screen. So again, immediate feedback. I know as a student, hey, I need to study my distance from Fort Hays to Orrville, Ohio. So it's about 15 hours. I thought it was 10, and I got it wrong. This shows you how much of the class guessed the other answers. So if this was something you were doing in class and you had the majority of your students pick this one, but this was the correct answer, obviously you didn't go over that one well enough, for something you need to review a little more. So there's a brief demo of how Kahoot works, and I hope it helps you.